What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. Today, we got an unboxing, man. Oh, unexpected. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I didn't know this box was coming in today. And if it's what I think it is, if it's what I think it is, then I'm happy. But if not, I don't know what it is, because on my Nikes app, you guys, if you watch my previous video, you know what shoe I hit on. I hit on the neutral gray. But it still says in progress. So I don't know how this works. You know what I'm saying? It still says in progress. I never got a tracking number for this shoe. And I bought 2 pairs of shoes, and I only got 1 shoe here. So, ain't nothing left to do but to get into the shoe box, man. Like I said, I think it's the neutral gray. I'm not sure, though. I'm really not sure. Have you guys ever, before we open this box, have you ever got a shoe without tracking and got it 2-day shipping and didn't pay for 2-day shipping? I know I'm a valued customer, but I don't think I've ever got it like that. So if that's the case, shout out to Nike. If that's the case, shout out to Nike. If that's not the case, I don't know what shoe this could be. So I'm opening up the box right now. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So it's definitely an Air Jordan 1 box. There's the sticker. So I guess I'm right, man. It was an Air Jordan 1 Low OG white particle gray, size 10, my size. $130. I'm saying, I think that's clear enough for you. 130 bucks, man. Let's open it up, man. I'm super pumped. Now I know what shoe it is. It's just weird that, you know, I didn't get no tracking number. I didn't get nothing, and they sent it 2-day shipping, and I did not pay for 2-day shipping. So I'll take it. So let's open up the box. I'm in a good mood, man. I didn't expect this. Ooh, neutral grays. All right, man. Let me pull out this thing. Bow. It's your Jordan 1 Low neutral gray. These white things, man. I needed an all white shoe. Comes with spare laces. Comes with spare laces. Gray. What y'all think about that? Look at the back. It's nice suede. Suede on the Nike sign. See how good can you see it? I'm super amped, man. And I got a I know in the video I was telling you guys, oh yeah, I could go back on and I got access to Big Kids. So I ended up going back like an hour later and I still had access to Big Kids. So I ended up getting a 7Y. I got girls, and you never know. I'll just keep them in the collection. Maybe they'll wear them one day or something. Maybe their mom can fit them or something. I don't know. We'll see. So I ended up going back, though. I ended up going back and getting another pair. So I should have that. That shoe should come in, I guess, within the next couple days. I'm super shocked. I'm super duper shocked to see these at the house. These are soft. Let me take the shoe tree out real quick. These are definitely staying in the collect. Oh my God, bruh. This. Hold up, man. Hold on. This shoe is so soft. Oh my God. This is like, what do they say? Old people skin? Look at that. All of it. This whole shoe is super duper soft. The toe box, look. I'm super pumped. These are clean, man. These are clean. Like I said, I was able to get a 7Y. I know this shoe releases on the 24th, right? Where's my phone? I think this shoe releases. Sorry, let me go to my shit. Upcoming releases. Yeah, this shoe releases the 24th. I might go for a second pair. I ain't gonna lie. These are nice. These are super buttery. Like Mike Rich would say, buttery. You got the Nike Air on the inside real quick. In gray. You got the gray sole. These are clean, man. This is a good pickup. Man. Welcome to the collection. I need a second pair. Because I could already see these are going to get messed up fast. I need a second pair of these. So I'll probably be shooting my shot on the 24th for another pair. These are so dummy soft, though. Like, I hope you guys can see how soft this stuff is. This leather is amazing. Look at that. Even the toe box. The leather on the toe box is super soft. That's what I'm talking about, man. Shout out to Nike, man, for the 2-day shipping. Shout out to Nike for getting me this shoe so I can hurry up and drop this review, man. And so you got your neutral gray, man. You got your boy Bert Collins, man. I'm super pumped. Shout out to the new subscribers, man. We hit 150 subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all. Last video did like over 500 views. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all keep tapping in with me. Man, it's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.